Hey, hello, good day to all of us. Now is Monday, so I prepare my breakfast. It's already 9:30, I think 9:30. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, 9:30. So ito, breakfast ko muna. Retouch lang ako sa cleaning ko dito. Tsaka dito sa kitchen, so So, as of what I'm telling, I'm relaxing only in the house. I make retouch, I'm cleaning. I clean the balcony, of course. The balcony is always in. Not always what I mean before, but now that nobody too much are inside in the house. So that's what I make andumi nga pala. Oh, yan, andumi with egg. Okay. Yun yung ano ko muna. Hindi yan, at least now nakaka-relax. Kasi even I wake up, natural, it's basic for me. I wake up early. At least that I'm not thinking that I must to finish, I must to quickly, I must to like this one because I have some matter to do like this one, like that one. So at least now if I wake up, it's make me relax only. And now I cook by my own, so that's all. At least in 1 year I have what's that? I have unit. Just a minute. Lagay muna natin yan. Saglit. I have what's that? I have a home vacation. Kumbaga home na rin to. Even ito ay condo unit or what's that? Because as of what I'm telling, home is for me is it's the house. You know what I mean, the house talaga. And mostly kasi they are calling this one compound, unit, condo unit, apartment, like this one. Kasi nga, we're living in the by floor only. Okay? So, I make it relax. I make a retouch only. And I check for what's that. That's what I do. That's what I do if I'm making andumi. I don't like kasi the andumi from ano ba yan? From the plastic, from in this packing ba, and then boiled and then